Curtain wall system impact applications for performance and protection in high velocity wind zones. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at curtain wall system impact applications for performance and protection in high velocity wind zones, emphasizing the importance of referencing the tested system shop drawings for configuration options. This is a typical curtain wall elevation. Storefront curtain wall are extensively used throughout commercial construction. So this is one of the first systems that was designed for impact applications. And here's a detail of a curtain wall horizontal. You can see it's got insulated glass unit in it and laminate glass to the interior. Then notice this one is wet sealed. And here's an example of a similar curtain wall. Yeah, this is dry glaze. You got dry gaskets holding it in here. So the system is designed to take from 1 inch to 1 5/16 glass infill in it. Now notice this is a system initially designed for 1 inch, and adding additional 5/16 is created by putting a deeper thermal separator on here. So you can see a deeper thermal separator took the system initially designed for 1 inch to 1 5/16 by putting a deeper thermal separator there. Now on this one, here's an example of a section cut through a vertical. Notice here the pressure plate has been offset. So this was designed to go from 1 inch to 1 5/16 by offsetting the pressure plate. And we've got wet glaze. You can see silicone glazing on the interior, where this example is dry glazed. So we're using dry glazed here, so it's going to have a rigid inner layer in the insulated glass, in the laminate glass unit to the interior. And I showed you an example of a storefront system with an operable vent in it. Same with curtain walls. We can introduce operable vents into curtain wall systems. Here you can see an example of a curtain wall with a concealed sightline window inserted into it. The window's designed so that all the framing is to the interior, no buildup of sightline on the outside, but you can see you got your laminate inner layer here. So that still provides you protection you're looking for working along with the curtain wall here to maintain the integrity of the building envelope here in the event of a storm. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.